Here where the proverbial rubber meets the road, safety is of the utmost importance, and the thrill of speed and control combine, we take you on a fascinating tour of the world of braking technology. Join us as we learn the distinctions between anti-lock brakes or ABS, electronic stability control or ESC, and basic airbags or BA, the unsung heroes that keep us safe on the roads. In this video, we will delve into the intricate workings of these brake technologies and explore how they contribute to safer driving experiences. From understanding how ABS prevents wheel lockup during sudden stops to discovering how EBD optimizes Brakeforce Distribution, we aim to unravel the complexities behind these essential safety features. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for an enlightening journey into the world of braking technology. Rev your engines, fellow enthusiasts, as we embark on the quest to explore the unsung heroes of the automotive world, the brake technologies that keep us grounded no matter how fast we go. We all know about horsepower, torque, and sleek exteriors, but have you ever truly pondered the wonders happening beneath the wheels of your car? Today, we're throwing the spotlight on a trio of brake technologies: ABS, EBD, and BA, and unveiling their secrets, their magic, and the immense impact they have on our safety. From hatchbacks to sedans, from compact SUVs to multi-purpose vehicles, these cutting-edge technologies have infiltrated the very core of our beloved rides. Get ready to shift gears and explore the fascinating world that lies beneath the pedal as we delve into the captivating realm of ABS, EBD, and BA right here in Car Computer Exchange. This is one ride you won't want to miss. The importance of brake technologies, unleashing the superheroes of safety. Picture this: you're cruising down the road, the wind in your hair, feeling like the king or queen of the asphalt kingdom. You're probably thinking about the power of your car, the sleek design, and how cool you'll look pulling up to your destination. But have you ever stopped to ponder the unsung heroes that keep you safe when things get a little too fast and furious? We're talking about the cutting-edge brake technologies that ensure you come to a stop with style and grace. ABS, EBD, and BA. Let's dive into their worlds and discover how they make magic happen. ABS, Anti-Lock Braking System, saving the day one skid at a time. You know that heart-pounding moment when you slam on the brakes to avoid an unexpected obstacle. ABS is the superhero that prevents your wheels from locking up, giving you the power to steer your car like a boss. It's like having an invisible hand that keeps you in control when panic tries to take the wheel. Behind the scenes, ABS orchestrates a symphony of components to keep you safe. Speed sensors monitor wheel rotation, while valves and pumps dance together, applying and releasing pressure to prevent skidding. It's a delicate ballet, carefully choreographed to ensure that you maintain control even in the most hair-raising situations. When ABS kicks into gear, you might feel some vibrations and juddering at the brake pedal. It's like a gentle reminder from your car saying, "Hey, I got this. Just keep pressing that pedal and let me do my thing." So, if you find yourself in a situation where ABS is activated, don't panic. Keep your foot firmly on the brake and steer your way to safety like a pro. Remember, ABS is designed to prevent your wheels from locking up and skidding, allowing you to maintain steering control. By keeping your foot on the brake and steering smoothly, you can effectively navigate through obstacles or slippery conditions without losing control of your vehicle. Trust in the technology and stay calm, knowing that ABS is there to assist you in maintaining stability and safety on the road. Now, let's imagine you're driving a car without ABS. Don't worry, you can still show off your braking skills. Slow down as much as possible before making any sudden turns. Apply and release the brakes like a maestro, replicating the rhythm of ABS. It's all about finding the sweet spot between control and stopping power. Remember to keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you to allow for ample reaction time. Additionally, be aware of road conditions and adjust your braking technique accordingly, as different surfaces may require different levels of pressure. Alright, fellow road warriors, it's time for a mid-video check-in. So tell me, As we unravel the differences in brake technologies, have you ever experienced the heart-pounding moment of activating ABS and feeling those wild vibrations under your foot? Or maybe you've mastered the art of replicating ABS braking without actually having it in your car. Share your thrilling brake stories or creative braking techniques in the comments below. We want to hear all about your braking adventures. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more automotive excitement. Now, let's get back to unveiling the secrets behind EBD and BA. Brace yourselves for more mind-blowing brake revelations. EBD, Electronic Brakeforce Distribution, the braking brain of the operation. EBD might not be the superhero that gets all the attention, but it plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth and balanced braking experience. It's like the brains behind the operation, distributing the perfect amount of braking power to each wheel, taking into account road conditions, vehicle load, and speed. It's the ultimate multitasker, making sure your car stays glued to the road. EBD works in conjunction with the anti-lock braking system, or ABS, to prevent wheel lockup and maintain control during emergency braking situations. By constantly monitoring the speed of each wheel, EBD can adjust the brake pressure accordingly, allowing for optimal stopping power without compromising stability. So next time you hit the brakes, remember that EBD is working behind the scenes to keep you safe and in control. EBD's secret lies in its ability to read your car like a book. Speed sensors calculate slip ratios, allowing the electronic control unit, or ECU, to make lightning-fast adjustments. Brake force modulators come into play, pumping brake fluid and fine-tuning the brake force for each wheel. This dynamic system ensures that the braking force is distributed evenly among all four wheels, maximizing the effectiveness of each individual brake. With EBD, you can trust that your car will respond quickly and efficiently to your braking inputs, giving you peace of mind on the road. It's a complex balancing act, ensuring you stay in control during those tricky braking and cornering moments. EBD's advanced technology not only enhances safety, but also improves overall performance. By distributing braking force to the wheels with the most traction, it maximizes stopping power and minimizes skidding. This intelligent system works seamlessly with other safety features, such as ABS, to provide a smooth and confident driving experience. BA, Brake Assist. When an emergency strikes, BA comes to the rescue. Now, let's talk about the hero that swoops in when things take a turn for the worst. BA, or Brake Assist. Imagine you need to stop in a split second, but your reflexes are just a hair too slow. That's where BA steps in, detecting the urgency of the situation and applying additional pressure to your brake pedal. It's like having an extra set of hands, ensuring maximum braking force and reducing stopping distances when it matters most. BA is a vital safety feature that can make a significant difference in preventing accidents and minimizing the severity of collisions. By providing immediate assistance in emergency braking situations, BA helps drivers maintain control and avoid potential hazards on the road. With BA on your side, you can have peace of mind knowing that you have an extra layer of protection when it's needed most. BA is the master of intuition. It senses the intensity of your braking through accelerator and brake sensors, deciphering whether it's a casual slowdown or an emergency stop. Once it identifies the urgency, it springs into action, commanding the brake booster to apply extra pressure. It's like having a guardian angel guide your foot and ensure you come to a stop with superhero-like efficiency. With BA, you can trust that even the most unexpected situations, it will react swiftly and accurately to keep you safe. Its ability to analyze the braking situation in real time provides a sense of reassurance and confidence, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. So there you have it, the superheroes of the braking world: ABS, EBD, and BA. The next time you hop into your car and hit the road, remember the incredible technologies that work tirelessly to keep you safe. It's a dance of sensors, pressure, and quick thinking that ensures your journey is not just thrilling but also secure. Now, go out there and conquer the asphalt with confidence, knowing that the brake technologies have your back. Stay safe, fellow road warriors. And there you have it, fellow speedsters and safety enthusiasts. The secrets of ABS, EBD, and BA have been unveiled, shedding light on the marvels that keep us grounded when we need it most. So the next time you hop behind a wheel, give a nod of appreciation to these unsung heroes of the road. But hey, this is just the beginning of our exhilarating automotive adventures. If you want to stay in the fast lane and never miss out on the latest insights, tips, and mind-blowing revelations about the world of cars, hit that subscribe button below. Join our community of speed demons and safety aficionados here in Car Computer Exchange. And together, let's take our knowledge of all things automotive to the next level. Remember, the road to automotive enlightenment starts with a single click. So buckle up, subscribe, and get ready for a wild ride. Safe travels, my friends.